Safety for us in these troubled times is very important. We have always been a patient-centric organization, and we realize that in today's day and age, patients want to know what are the additional safety measures that we have taken. We have taken steps to sanitize each and every corner of this hospital, and we want to assure our patients that we will make this hospital very safe. Right from the time the patient comes into the hospital, the valet driver approaches the car, sanitizes his hands, takes the car, parks it, and again sanitizes his hands just to ensure that he is safe while receiving the car from another patient.
Every patient that enters the hospital undergoes thermal screening, and a detailed medical and travel history is taken by the nurse so as to identify and isolate suspect cases. There is a separate entry for vulnerable patients like senior citizens and pregnant women.
If a patient is tested to have fever, cough and cold, these patients are guided to a fever clinic which is situated further away from the common area, and all the relevant tests would be done there. When these patients with the same symptoms come very sick, we also have a separate respiratory to isolate these patients and give adequate appropriate care. All healthcare workers in Manipal Hospital, nurses, doctors and allied health professionals who are involved in taking care of suspect patients are provided with appropriate personal protective equipment. We are adequately equipped to handle such suspect cases across all specialties. Safety starts with me.
As the patient enters into the hospital, we ensure that proper social distancing is maintained. We have grids on the floors which guides the patient to maintain adequate physical distance of 1.6 meters from each other. When we look at our billing desk, our OPDs, our receptionists, all of them are aware about the importance of maintaining physical distance.
Emergency services are available 24/7. Once the patient enters the emergency, similar protocol is followed. There is a thermal screening that is done. Triaging is done so that the patients can be categorized, and there is also a strict policy for attendant. Only one attendant is allowed per patient. Safety starts with me.
Every 20 minutes, the team sanitizes the tabletops, the surfaces. When we look at the housekeeping team, they go around the hospital, cleaning the hospital. They have sodium hypochlorite solution at a concentration of 1%, which they use to sanitize the railings, the doorknobs, the lift buttons. We are aware which all places our patients will touch, and we try to sanitize them for the benefit of our patients. As the patients come into our inpatient area, our nurses are aware, our executives are aware how do we receive them. Each room after the patient has left them undergoes a stringent check whether it is being kept clean or not. Our executives again recheck this. In our labs, as the patient come into the phlebotomy area for giving samples, we ensure that the sample areas are kept very clean. Our phlebotomists, they take stringent precautions in ensuring that due hygiene is maintained. As the patients come into a radiology area, whether be it for an ultrasound or an MRI or a CT scan, the radiologists, the technicians, the housekeeping staff are aware, are trained on how to treat the patient while maintaining proper care. We also have a process in place wherein on the public address system, there is an announcement which goes out.
Namaste. We request your kind attention. In the interest of your safety, we request you to maintain a safe distance in all seating areas and avoid using the elevators unless necessary. We also request you to wear a mask at all times and make use of the hand sanitizers available on every floor. Thank you.
As an organization, our core priority has been to ensure the safety of our caregivers. Our doctors, nurses, paramedical team, our entire support services had to be kept safe, which is why we ensure that all of them have enough protective equipments to protect themselves, because we believe that a safe employee can create a safe patient. Having said that, we have followed all the international guidelines prescribed to ensure that we take care of our staff during these tough times. Safety starts with me.